a crazy incident happened. Sharanya and Shraddha vlogged for the first time. It was hilarious. They had to take so many shots, so many clips. Half of them we cannot keep them on YouTube.
But we just,
we laughed our ass off. And time is around 12 o'clock. Yeah, it's 10 minutes to 12. And we reached few minutes ago. We saw those clips.
we didn't know what we recorded. Because when I saw the camera, it didn't actually have too much of space in it. So I was like, isme kya hai? I wanted to see. And then that's how I found out that Sharanya and Shraddha actually vlogged today. Unbelievable. You will definitely see that right now.
But two brother vlogs became two sister vlogs apparently.
So what's popping YouTube? Welcome back to Two Brother Vlog. So आज का vlog
आज టూ బ్రదర్ బ్లాగ్ నే టూ సిస్టర్ బ్లాగ్ అంతే కదా ఎప్పుడు వాళ్ళు ఏం చేస్తారు వాళ్ళ ముఖాలు ఏం చేస్తారు అప్పుడు మన ముఖాలు కూడా చూడాలి
So we thought आज हम करते हैं फिर
फिर क्या करना है कैसे करना है वो लोग तो they come up with some content. Look who's disturbing.
Hi. I know, please vlog.
Please vlog.
Continue the vlog.
Yeah.
What happened? You taking?
Sujana akkada unnadu kada.
Rohit thought of taking a new phone, so we're exploring.
इनके पतिदेव का फोन तो टूट गया, अब तो नया फोन आएगा.
पतिदेव,
पति परमेश्वर.
Hi. And Agu wants to go with his father. नाराज है Agu. So चलो, tada. See you later.
एक घटिया था कर ले.
That नहीं hurt होता. आँख पे मारे तो hurt होता.
आँख पे रखो. Already हो चुका. ओए. Go baby.
You know, wait. My phone got jagged. I don't know what happened. Bloody OnePlus.
He wanted a new phone, इसलिए.
Dude, no Ray, I didn't want a new phone. I'm asking you, should we continue using it? Take new phone.
I don't know.
Seriously.
Emergencies पे खराब हो जाएगा तो क्या करोगे? Take a new phone.
That's what I've been telling him.
The funniest thing is, OnePlus announced the launch of their new phone, and the same day my phone got spoiled, Ray.
That's the strategy.
I know. 4 years I've been using it. So,
It's the software which is not working or?
yeah, the phone is crashing.
When was the last time you updated?
Day before yesterday. Or
That's why.
they crashed it. OnePlus.
Rohit changed his phone finally after like 4 years or so.
I didn't want to change it still. It is all because of bloody OnePlus. You know, OnePlus 9 just launched, the media launch or whatever it was, and they rolled out some update and my phone froze. Like literally, I open an app and the entire phone crashes. Only thing I could do from it was make phone calls. So bloody they forced me to buy a new phone now, and I bought a phone. I had 3 options basically in my mind. You know what were the 3 options?
He's not a techie or a phone geek, so
Not at all. Like, the phone for me is for making calls. Very honestly, I could live with a phone just for phone calls, and the only other
WhatsApp.
thing which was working was WhatsApp and Instagram. With these 3 things functioning, I made the phone work for about a week, and I came to a position where I didn't actually want. I could continue with that phone for another 6 to 8 months.
I gave him an option of buying an iPhone, which he completely rejected. Second thing, I also gave him an option called Asus ROG 5. That's a very intense gaming phone, and he's not into gaming phones or mobile gaming.
It doesn't. It's not worth the money I spent for gaming on a phone, because I have a PS5, I have a ROG laptop, which is more than enough for gaming. My gaming on the phone is very limited now.
The third phone is the OnePlus 9 Pro, which just got launched. After looking at what OnePlus did to Rohit's current phone,
It pissed me off.
it pissed him off, so he didn't want to buy a OnePlus. So the only good viable good company option was Samsung. He was I to be honest, I will never buy a Samsung phone because of the bloatware and because of all the skins they use on their phone. But he was ready to use it because he was a previous Samsung user.
This particular phone was actually manufactured in Feb of 2021. Chalo, let's break the seal. Okay, what's in the box? The phone itself is actually heavy.
Sure. Yeah, no, it's actually as heavy as my iPhone.
So I'm actually basically I'm unboxing this new phone of ours, the S21 Ultra. And as soon as I removed the phone out of the box, I found it to be heavy when compared to my old phone. And we just got a scale just to compare the weights. I've removed the case of my old phone. So let's just start with the old one. So on the scale, there you go. It weighs 182 grams. This is the iPhone 11 Pro. Srijan's phone. It looks nice without the cover, but you can't use it. So this one weighs again 200 grams. So definitely the OnePlus is much lighter than the iPhone. And now let's compare it with the new baby in the house. This goes in, and on the weighing scale, there you go.
226 grams. Okay, let's keep the phone aside for like some time and not remove any plastics on top of it. Inside the box, as soon as you open it, you'll greet with the phone itself, and there is one box inside, and
But do you realize something? After we unboxed our laptop, our expectations of unboxing have become very high.
and we
have been extremely disappointed.
ever since.
Yeah.
Even with the PS5, we were not satisfied.
At PS5, I felt it was horrible. The packaging and packing. This laptop was like off the charts amazing. Like I have never seen an unboxing experience like that ever before. Okay, continuing with this product.
So, okay, if Rohit, I'm sorry I'm taking this. I know it's your phone, but I want to do this. For all the geeks out there, for the sound, hopefully our camera picks this up.
So this is how you see the moon in most of your phones. So this is how you see the moon in most of your phones.
And that's captured on a phone. Our telescope cannot do that. I mean, we cannot view the moon that.
No, you can view the moon this clearly, but on a phone, that's impressive. That's mighty impressive. Now do that with your bloody iPhone and show me. How impressed are you with the zoom of that camera? Honest answer.
10 on 10. 10 on 10.
Like, freaking believable.
The only thing which lets me off is the UI. I cannot stand Samsung's cartoonish UI, but it's okay for some people. I'm not a big fan of the UI.
But over time, I'll tell you how good the phone has been with me when I'll be using it obviously for a very, very, very long time. So that's it. Yeah, that's about it. We just wanted to show you what we purchased and regarding that phone, and we actually have
something very big and
something humongous coming up in very, very near future.
That is by the time this vlog is live, we will already be completing the big purchase which we are thinking about of doing.
No, नहीं बताएंगे क्या है.
ठीक है. Until next time. See you guys.
Bye guys. See you to the next time. Love you all. Take care. Bye.